Hi grade 6 Qatari syllabus. Today I will start module 2 in your book Top Stars. But before I will go to our unit today, to our module today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our module today. Today it will be the second module in your book Top Stars. Let's go to know more about this module. Here we have some vocab I would like to learn with me, which is hang out. This is the we say here slang expression that we use. Hang out is translated in Arabic as it is. Here is unlucky. Here is go to the shops. Mix. We have here go to the shops. Here is go to the shops. Mix. Meet. Meet a friend. Soft. Here is duff. Here is duff. Here is go for a walk. Stay at home. Archaeologist. Nature. Site. Poisons. Here is tool. Here is make a shoulder. Coin. Here is rucksack. Here is rucksack. Examine. Here is save. Dig. Here is experience. Discovery. Survive. Worse. Here is worse. Where is here is something that we see in Christian traditions, that put it on put it on their head. Okay, this is called this is the tradition of Christian religions. Okay, wears, there is called wears. Here is recognize, bronze, amazed, flag, trial. Here is ring. Here is guide. Here is mascot. Here is mascot. Here is mascot. Here is view, motto. Here is hike, complete, ancient, lost. Here is lucky. Here is we have here two opposite words. We have here lucky and here is unlucky. The both words are opposite. Let's go to another item here, which is phonics G and phonics G. It will be here granddad, granddad, dig, grass, granddad, dig, grass, granddad, dig and grass, geography, geography, orange, vegetables. We have here geography, orange, and vegetables. Let's go to another item. In this item, we talk about the past simple tense. I think we talk about this tense several times, and I think this tense I explained in the previous grades, in grade 3 and grade 4. I think in grade 5 we know this tense. This tense, we use this tense when to expressing action and habit in the past. And this tense we used in which situation that use this tense? When we narrate. Narrate means when we want to tell you a story or narrate something happened and ended. I use this tense, which is called past simple tense. So the formula of this tense, adding ed with irregular verbs like this: walk, walked, want, wanted. So here we add ed on the, or as the plural, as the singular and plural, we have regular nouns that plural that we omit the y and adding is. Here we adding ied to the verb. Okay. Here is we have like study, studied, and so on. We have here also, as we know that we have regular verbs, we have irregular verbs like see, saw, run, rain, and at the end of the video, I will leave you the column of the table of irregular verbs to keep it. Okay, it's important to keep it because the irregular verb in English is like the timetable in mathematics. So no way for keeping the regular verbs. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we say, so now we know this tense used to expressing action and happened in the past. The action, this tense, the formula of each toolbar, adding ed to the verb. All the verbs taking ed, no, regular verbs only take ed, and irregular verbs don't, and irregular verbs must be kept before we put it. Then we have here the keywords keywords expressing the past, which is yesterday, last, ago. These words is expressing the action happened in the past. So this is in the formal or the affirmative form. So when we talk about the question or interrogative question or negative form, what can we do in the negative form? I'm sorry for this wrong. We will continue the rest of our lesson. Let's go to continue the rest of our lesson. Now we talk about the past simple, and we know that the form of this tense is ed for regular verb. Regular verb, the verb changes completely. Okay, as we know. So as this, we use it in the same when we make a question form or interrogative form and negative form. No, in the negative form or interrogative form. I'm sorry again for this mistake. Let's continue our lesson. Okay. In the negative form, on the question form, what can we do? In the question form, we use did and put the verb in the infinitive form. In the negative form, we use didn't. Okay, we put the verb in the infinitive form. The past of verb to be in the past of verb to be in the past to be where wasn't where. Okay, I must know this. Okay, so here when we talk about negative form, I put didn't and I put the verb in the stiff form. And when we use did with question form, I put did, then I put the verb in the infinitive form like this. Okay, so here we say, did you play tennis yesterday? The replying it will be yes I did or no I didn't. Or say here when we make a negative, I say I didn't play tennis yesterday. Here we have the past progressive. This tense is like the past, but this tense, the past progressive, but in the past, but take a long time. Okay, take a long time in the past. Okay, so here we say when like this one, we say yesterday morning. So here we say they were studying science at 10 o'clock yesterday morning. So yesterday, all yesterday morning, they were studying science. Okay. So here is the meaning of this tense. Okay. So here, when we use the past continuous tense, we use the past continuous tense to expressing action happened in the period of time for a long period of time in the past. Okay, long period of time in the past. Okay, this is the past progressive describing. So here, when we use was and when we use were, or what is the pronouns that take was, and what is the pronouns that take were? The pronouns that take was, it will be I, he, she, it, was, you, we, they, take were, plus verb plus ing. Here we say I was studying at 3 o'clock yesterday. So all the time of 3 o'clock yesterday, I was studying. Here we say they were studying science at 10 o'clock yesterday morning. So I'm expressing the action yesterday morning at 10 o'clock that I was studying science in this time. Okay. Let's go to another item here, which is when we use it in the negative form. Here is we can't have misunderstanding. Why? Because here we have the helping verb was and were, and I put not only. And when we make a question, I replace the verb instead of subject like this one. Say was, I, he, she, it plus the verb plus ing. Like this, we say were you sleeping at 4 o'clock yesterday? I say yes I was or no I wasn't. Here we say when we use it in the WH question, I say what were you doing at 9 o'clock yesterday night? We say I'm watching TV, I'm playing football, and so on. Okay. So here this is the action of here is the use of the present continuous tense. So when we have the keywords refers to this tense. When we use while, so here in this tense we use the past continuous and the past simple. When we use it, when I talk about while, when I write while, so the verb that comes After while, it will be in the past progressive or the past continuous. Say was, were plus the verb plus ing. The verb that comes after while. The next one, the verb in the next part, it will be in the past simple. When we use when, so the verb is followed by when the verb that followed after when, it will be in the past simple form, and another tense it will be in the past progressive or past continuous form. Like these examples. So we study these examples to know more, to apply this rule. Here we say he was playing when he fall down. So he fall down. So he was playing. So the long action it will be was playing. After that, what happened after that? He fall down. So here is the short action. Here is the, okay, we say this is the short action and this is the long action. Let's study this example together. It will be here. He was playing when he fall down. When we talk about while here means the action, the long action. It will be while he was playing, he fell down. So I will repeat this examples to know the rule of the past continuous tense. Here we say he was playing when he fell down. When he was playing, while he was playing, he fell down. We have another rule here in this module, which is sequence words. What is sequence words? The sequence of, or the rearrangement or arrangement of the events. We say first, second, next, then after that, and so on. So here this is the text, and this is the words of sequence words. Let's read the text and know the sequence word. Here we say first, bake the cake. So here we make here in this part we make a recipe, okay, a recipe of something, okay, a recipe, okay. Here it will be say first, break the eggs into a large bowl. Second, add some milk. Next, add melted butter. Then add the salt. After that, add the flour. Mix all ingredients together very well. Your pancake batter is ready. Okay, so here we make a recipe of pancake batter. Here is pancake batter. To be here butter. Butter here it will be U, not A. To be here, have a mistake here. To be pancake batter is ready. So here this is pancake batter. So what can I do? What can I make this dish or this recipe? First, break the cakes into a large bowl. Second, add some milk. Next, add the melted butter. I think all of us know melted butter. Then add the salt. Then add the flour. Finally, mix all the flour is white. Okay, I think all of us know the flour that will make from this material. We make from this thing make bread. Okay, flour, we use the flour also in making bread. Okay, I think all of us know the flour, and the flour has a white color. You can see in your kitchen with your mother. Here we say after that add the flour. Finally mix all ingredients together very well. Your pancake batter is ready. So this is the table of irregular verbs. I will give you some of them and I will leave the rest to keep it. Here we say here we have be, was, were, been, bit, bitten, become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. I would like to say that we have some irregular verbs have the same, like put, like sit. You have put, cut. This is here is we have the special cases that the verb in the past is the same in the present. Okay. Here we have bleed, bleed, blue, blown, bring, brought, built, buy, bought, can, could, catch, caught, choose, chosen, chosen, come, came, come, cut. There is that I tell you. Okay, I tell you before. Did, dug, do, did, done, drew, drawn, drink, drank, drunk, drive, driven, eat, ate, eaten, fall, feel, fallen, feel, felt, fight, fought, find, found, write, wrote, reading, read, read. Here we say read, but when we use it in past and past participle, we say read. They have the different pronunciation, not different writing. Feel like this: read, read, read. Boot. Here's bay. Meet, met. Made. Lost. Light, lit. Here is the same also, the same in the present, same past participle. Left, leave, left. Light. No new, known. Kept. Heal, hold, held. Hide, hidden. Hide, here is hide and hide, hidden. Here. Here is we have had, hang, hung. Grow, here is grown. Go, went, gone. Give, given. Got. Freeze, frozen. Forget, forgotten. Fly, flew. Ring, rang. Run. Run, ran. See, seen. Still, sold. Send. Shot. Sing, sang, song. Sit, sat. Slept. Speak, spoken. Span. Stand, stood. Sting, stung. Swim, swam. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught. Till, told. Think, thought. Throw, thrown. Understand, understood. Walking. Wear, worn. Won. Write, wrote, written. Okay. Today we end from module 2. Next class I will start module 3. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.